The Daily Code Snippet. This past week, we took a deeper look at a WebVTT file, or Web Video Test Track, used for accessibility for media. It is the most popular and most compatible file format for adding captions. To create a .vtt file, you need a text editor, and you have to type out the captions using a particular format. The document must start with quote-unquote WebVTT at the top, and there must be a blank line in between each text block. These text blocks are called cues, and they consist of an optional cue identifier, a timestamp written out in a particular format, down to the milliseconds rounded to 3 digits, and the caption text. Then we discussed using 2 transcription methods to create a WebVTT file. The first method, using Otter.ai, generates the text transcript using artificial intelligence. It is less accurate than the second method, and the timestamping is not specific enough to the milliseconds rounded to 3 digits. While this method is not perfect, one advantage is that you can use the free minutes offered by Otter.ai. Now, if you have the budget, the second method, using rev.com, produces a file in the proper WebVTT format with 99% accuracy. Captioning with this service costs $1.25 per minute. There are other services available, but this pricing is competitive. The turnaround time is less than 24 hours and much faster for shorter videos. They offer an expedited service. The accuracy is much better than with Otter.ai because this service uses professional transcriptionists. Another advantage is that rev.com offers additional formats for the export if needed. The last media type we discussed is the use of the figure element and its optional caption using the fig caption element. A figure, its caption, and contents are a single unit. The figure element is generally used for images, diagrams, graphs, infographics, illustrations, charts, and code snippets. Because the content is considered self-contained, the figure element is sometimes confused with an aside. The main difference is that an aside does not have a built-in caption. In addition, an aside is more tangentially related to the main content than a figure. When using the fig caption, it should either be first or last. Here is an example. An illustration with a caption. Presented by Designers Learn Code.